The question is wealth a problem? It's corruption. Corruption is the challenge. So if you can tell me that, these assets were illegally gained or this wealth is illegally gained, that's the challenge.
And that's the challenge
Excellent.
where we're saying that we will
Excellent question,
go to
Ashita.
we will
Stealing from
go
the people and having legitimate
education
business
channel.
are two different things. And this is something what they don't seem to understand in the first place. Let me get one thing very clear here. The BJP has not allowed Jagan Mohan Reddy to come close, no matter how many times they tried to, vote in favor of the bills put by BJP. Now the Congress also doesn't allow them to come close, and the sister of Jagan Mohan Reddy is made the chief. So nobody wants Mr. Jagan Mohan Reddy close by. He's isolated politically, and the only way forward for him is the Chanchalguda jail of Hyderabad or the Rajahmundry jail of Vijayawada. This is the naked truth on the ground.
No, if there are multiple cases, Karthik, if there are multiple cases against Jagan Mohan Reddy, and there are questions about really even this particular case, the disproportionate asset case, which dates back to, to 2012, if I'm not wrong. And since then, you've had the CBI ED investigated with serious charges against Jagan Mohan Reddy, which you cannot push aside now. You can't ignore.
So here's the point, Rakshita, that is after 2012, where Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy has fought against Congress government. And we all know, the whole nations know, why suddenly cases came just after 2012. Because he stood alone. He fought against Congress party. And then again, the same henchman who's there from TDP is part of this whole conspiracy.
So you're saying it's a conspiracy by the Congress and then by the BJP. So this has gone on endlessly through different governments.
I'm saying it's by Congress after he's evidently fought against Congress, stood by his own legs, led the party, won with thumping majority. Now, after 2012, suddenly why would cases come in? Because he just fought with the big heads in the country. As simple as that. No, my point is we are mixing executive, legislative, and judiciary. He is obliged to the judicial system of the country and let the courts take due course of action. He's just respecting that whole process, and that is why he's come to the court today and did whatever the things have been asked in the court. Now let's not judge who is right and who is wrong. That is why we have judicial system in the country. Now what TDP does is, even something is being declared, they feel that executive, legislative, and judicial are all one, and then they declare saying that this is something completely against Jagan Mohan Reddy. No, that isn't the case. When ADR report says that 96% of people are actually said to be criminals, I'm not saying that. The ADR report is saying that in the recent past, right? So the point is, let us give us enough time to the judicial process. Let that announce who is right and who is wrong. As simple as that.